Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you part 3 of the video where I started teaching you how to create a basic Kobo Toolbox form using the AI platform called Kobo GPT. And of course, if you want to access both videos that I already talked about, go at the top of my head here and click that link, or go to the description section, or go by the end of this video. You would see that video that I have designed. It started from showing you how to create a basic form and also moving forward to showing you how to give the same prompt to design your skip logic and also your validation criteria. These are the 3 aspects that was taught or were taught using those 2 videos. But today I want to show you something unique. Today I'll just be showing you other elements within the AI platform and also other elements within the AI platform that can allow you give prompts just to add questions. This is very, very important. And if you have not watched those other 2 videos, please go at the top of my head or at the description section, or by the end of this video, you would see those videos there, and make sure to watch it gradually. I'll also group these videos in the area called courses, so you can watch it all as one course and really grasp some of the skill. Let's jump in so I show you what I mean.
Okay, so this is part 3 of this video, and here I just want to show you some very key elements within the Kobo GPT platform. So here you see that if I come here, I can easily come here and I check my questions. I can come and I click this small arrow. It just gives me the hint text and also default values, okay, which you find here, which is the same thing you can find in Kobo Toolbox, okay, itself. Now if I also come here and I click this small arrow that shows this option, it tells me the kind of question that this platform, this particular question has: single choice, multiple choice, decimal places, numbers. You know, these are the question types that we have inside Kobo Toolbox. So you find photo, audio, video. If you want people to put in video, they'll put it. You want calculations, you put it there, okay? And then now tells you whether the question is required or not. So I can make the question required or not by just clicking these options here, you see? So this is very, very important. Now, another thing I want you to see is that you can delete, you can duplicate questions. I can come here and this particular question and I duplicate this question. It becomes 2 questions. Now I have 2 questions. One shows that it is being copied from the other one because it's the same questions that were copied. And then here I can just delete this particular question and then I have my question back. You find? So this is how you can navigate. Now again, I can come here again and I just ask from within the Kobo Toolbox system and I say add a question. I can just come here, put my colon here and I say add a question. Okay, question on protection. You see, protection, and protection needs to have protection. Now I can just click OK here and you find out that it goes to work. You see, so it goes to work. You can see from here processing your question. Okay, so this is 2 p.m. as per my time. It tells me when this is going on, and then it now gives me a different, it says, do you have any protection concerns in your area? So it tells me which question has been added. So when I come to my preview here, you see that I have the page 3 here, and on my page 3 here it says, do you have any protection concerns in your area? So this is the question that was added. Okay, so if I take this into my form here, you see that that question will go below here. I don't want to go to the same process again, but let me just try. If I come here again and I say, okay, I want to remove this question using this other option here, it downloads this question and I'll make it demo 4. Okay, demo 4, so that we can bring it in and see how the question that was added reacts. Okay, and this is where we are. I'll just make it demo 4 and I bring it in again. So with demo 4, if I come here now and I just select that file and then I go to desktop here and I bring that file in, you would see how the progress that we have made from demo 1 right up to demo 4, and I bring that form in. That is it there. It shows me there clearly, and I want to submit the form. and here now I want to preview the form in another browser. And here now, if I go right down there, it shows me that last question. Remember that we did a skip logic before this question, and if I click on my skip logic, it appears all here. And then if I click on no, and then it shows just this question. So this is a question now that says, do you have any protection concerns in your area? Now there's another thing I want you to see here. Once I am sure that that form demo 4 it's really good, or demo 1 or 2 or 3 is really good, I can just bring those forms in here like this, and then I can still download the form. Okay, now I have also downloaded here, and I have it here in another format. You see, there's no app to bring that in, but there's no need doing that because you're already working between this testing phase and also within your AI platform. So these are some of the other amazing stuff that we can do here. Also, we can go on and see how we can add a question. I think we had already seen that. Okay, so it shows you here that you have 12 questions. Okay, and also you can also come here and click the AI title professional survey form. So you can design, you can just automatically create that option. It gives you the title of the form, telling you which kind of form it is. If I go to setting here, it just tells me the name of the form, professional survey form, demographic survey, and then also tells me how many version 0 and 100, and then it tells me the default state of the form. And that is just it, as simple as that. You can design your survey. Thank you very much, and over.
Thank you all so much. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and also share into your groups. This is 2026. We'll be learning a lot. We'll be doing a lot on this platform. Thank you and stay blessed.